All right, so I'm going to set up my science journal, and I've chosen for my science journal to be green. Your science journal can be whatever color you like. But on the very first page, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write my science journal. So I'm going to turn so I can write, and then I'll put it so that you can see. And I'm going to write it kind of big, science journal. So that's what you want to write on your first page is my science journal. And in science, we learn about all kinds of things. So I'm actually going to just draw some things around that go with science. And one thing that goes with science is weather. So I could draw a sun and I could draw a cloud. Okay. One thing that goes with science is magnets. So I can draw one of those U-shaped magnets, and I could do like little lines coming off of it to show that it's magnetic. Okay. We study rocks. So I could draw a picture of a rock. Okay. Maybe even two rocks. Okay. And we also study living things. So I'm going to draw, I'm actually going to draw a fish in a fishbowl because that's just what came to my mind when I thought about living things. Okay, so I'm going to draw a fish in a fishbowl. Okay, so if you can think of other things that go with science, you have room to draw all of those things, and you have crayons. So you can kind of go through and you can color in any of the things on your page and just make your page look nicer. You can go over the words, I am a scientist, or I'm sorry, my science journal. You can go over those words with your crayons. Okay, so you're going to finish setting up this first page in your science journal, and you're going to just add some detail to it, color in pictures, and go over the words, my science journal. If you want yours to be just kind of black and white, like just have the pencil drawing, that's okay too. But this time right now is your time to add that detail, okay? So this is your science assignment for today, is to make your science journal and add the detail. So there you go, boys and girls, my science journal. And if you have papers that you did from last week or the week before with your choice board, you can go ahead and add them in on the next couple of pages on your science journal, okay? So this is a good place to put things from your choice board. And if everything you did on your choice board was online, or if you didn't print any papers, or if you did some papers, but you've already put them someplace else, that is fine. So all you have to have is the page that says My Science Journal.